Meanwhile, back to the New England Patriots. Ladies and gentlemen, triple box. We see the Kraft ownership team, Nick Caserio, and we finally caught Bill Belichick in his chair, not roaming around his house in Nantucket. So the entire brain trust is there for the New England Patriots. And what are they going to do with this pick in the draft? Still waiting to see how they're going to go. We know at some point they're going to take a quarterback in this draft because they only have two on their roster right now, Jared Stidham and Brian Hoyer. Will this be the point in the draft, in the third round, that they decide to go that route? Because, you know, Tom's not there.
Come on, Patriot fans. Is that all you got? Oh, come on. Okay, with the 87th pick in the 2020 NFL Draft, the New England Patriots select Anfernee Jennings, linebacker, Alabama.
Another versatile defensive player for Bill Belichick to use in a lot of different situations here, Mel.
Yeah, again, this is that connection that we always talk about, the Belichick-Saban connection, and he likes what Bill Belichick likes, versatile, smart football players. I tell you, this guy can seek it out. He can figure out what the offense is doing, and he knows what he's doing on the football field. He never overcommits. He's an excellent tackler in the open field, in the backfield. He gives you that versatility, getting after the quarterback. He can play in reverse as well, but just a guy has a lot of savvy. He gets the most out of everything he has physically and athletically. Every week he shows up, works hard, and I'm sure when you talk about Belichick and Saban, what they were saying was, hey, is this guy going to be a guy I can count on in situational roles? And I think you can with Anfernee Jennings. That defense had an awful lot of ability. A lot of these guys are going to be moving on to the NFL. But if you talk about an underrated guy, the key to a lot of things they did, it was Anfernee Jennings with Josh Uche. They got some guys at that second level that can make things happen on that defense.
Boy, you look at the versatility of all three of those picks, and you wonder how Bill's going to use them. By the way, if you're keeping count, and I know teams in the SEC are, that is the 9th Alabama player off the board. They are now tied with LSU for the most in this draft, and one behind Ohio State in 2016 for the most from one school through the first three rounds all time. Stay with us.